Everybody out there, don't ever be scared to stand up for anything. Don't be scared to believe in something. Don't ever let them tell you that your voice can't change the world. It's in this beautiful city of Cleveland. Lace up, Kells.
I screamed at the top of my lungs.
Hands up, clap.
My voice couldn't save it. You're proud of when you hold.
Hey, hey.
What's left now?
Just out, I had a dream that the world changed. For a minute there was no pain. Instead of presidents and old saints. Check it, I heard lyrics from Kurt Cobain. Then I wake up to see the world ill. Ocean sands look all still. How many kids have these more killed? How many families can't afford bills? I wish that I could let the world know that it's okay to let the man show. Yeah, yeah, and even though times seem bad, yeah, always find the world rainbow.
I screamed at the top of my lungs. My voice couldn't save this home.
Hey, hey.
You're proud of when you hold.
Cleveland, hands up, hands up, bounce, I think we are. Just me, I think we are. Just me, what I say, just me. The world needs, check it, now in my hood, money equals power. And if the world money controls everything we believe in, I can see we're in our darkest hour. Cause it feels like the government just as crooked as the police. I spent the weekend catching up on the news. A girl committed suicide after she was bullied in school. Now some dudes told her she wasn't cool. That you would rather gossip about a famous person breaking the rules. I'm confused. Tell me, is Fight Night place worse than Jews? They told me Fight Night, I'm supposed to lose. Just cause in hindsight, white boy with some rhythm and blues. Hell.
I screamed at the top of my lungs. My voice couldn't save this home.
Yeah, yeah.
You're proud of the son you hold.
Will this last hook right here? I wanna see y'all with your hands up. Hey, hands up, hands up. I think we are. Just me. I think we are. Hey, you just me. I said, we just me. You feel that? You feel that? The world needs. Check it. You can't give up like they tell you. Stop like they tell you. Be scared to dream for the top like they tell you. But I'm trying to tell you.